Hi, it's Jaylene from WTI, and let's bake some delicious cake together. For today's recipe, I'll be doing an olive oil cake, and here are the ingredients that I will use for today's cake. So the ingredients for this recipe are ingredients that you most likely have at home, just eggs, flour, sugar, milk. And then once I put the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and you're all set. So this cake cookbook contains really beautiful illustrations and beautiful paintings. I love how the drawings really relate to the idea of the book, how cake brings people together. And then towards the end of the recipe book, it contains a lot of ideas or recipes for different types of cakes, from cheesecakes to olive oil cake. And if you like baking too, I'm sure you'll find this book to be super helpful. And if you want to test out some new recipes, I think this cake cookbook is really great for that. And that's my